it seems that every 22 Discovery we get to sell the same day, and this is going to be another one of them examples. So this is a D300, very important, 300 brake horsepower Land Rover Discovery, R-Dynamic. R-Dynamic gives you all that styling, the black sections, the black styling package. SE in Yulong White. Now, Yulong White is an optional extra colour, not your standard white. It's a beautiful pearlescent white, and with that R-Dynamic styling, it just looks really, really well. The car's got a contrasting black roof rails. It's got a sliding sunroof, which is an optional extra. It's got a heated steering wheel, which is an optional extra. It's got 21-inch wheels finished in gloss black, side steps, privacy glass, and it's done 500 miles, pretty much delivery miles. 3 years Land Rover warranty, 3 years Land Rover Assist. They are so popular because people love the space, they love the 7 seats, and with this car being practically brand new, you benefit from all that warranty cover and all the things that come with it. But this car's got them lovely extras. So I mentioned it at the start, the R-Dynamic gives you the black all round here, the inserts. This car's the latest model, so you've got the beautiful new headlights, black round the arches, 21-inch wheels, which are done in gloss black, which just set the car off right. You've then got them fixed side steps, privacy glass on the back, and also with the car being the new generation Discovery, there's the different changes. There's them sweeping indicators, there's the new LED lights. Our dynamic bumper comes all the way around the back. You can see there, very, very important, D300. Makes a massive difference to how the car performs, how the car drives. As you can see, you've got 2 extra seats here. Still got the little plastic tags on and everything. Air suspension button. You can drop the seats down with these 2 buttons here. Actually, I'll just show you that now. Press this like this. And then they just drop into the floor. So the 2 buttons there, drop them the third row, second row down, and then you can drop them down, and then you've got all this boot space. Press that button there, them seats come back, and you've got all that load space there. That is why people love the 7-seat option on a Discovery. Moving on inside, look at this interior. So the car's an SE, so you get a lot of other features which are great as standard. So you get things like memory seat, Meridian speakers. It's got the beautiful 2-tone interior, which is ebony and then ivory down the centre. It's got the white stitching throughout. You've got a darker roof lining, which I think works lovely against that interior colour. And then when we get in the car, big noticeable thing on the new generation Discovery is this centre section. So you've got the larger 11.4-inch screen. You've got the new gear stick. You've got the new switchable terrain button for the centre, and then all this is touchscreen, so you've got all your new generation wireless Apple CarPlay, heated seats options, and you've got even all the new apps and everything, the Alexa and everything what comes with it, Bluetooth multimedia. On here, heated steering wheel, that is an optional extra. You can see them little arrows there. This car's got cruise control, but it's got adaptive cruise control, which comes as standard on an SE now. Sunroof, sliding panoramic sunroof. An SE comes standard with a fixed roof. This car's got the sliding roof, so it has got great features. It's done 500 miles. It's beautiful as you would expect. It's ready to pick up. You can call us direct and come and get it. It's ready to go. Great colour, as new condition. Contrasting black roof with that sliding roof there. It just looks really well, and it's in Yulong White, which for me isn't, I think the colour against the black Yulong White, the pearlescent white, just sets it off lovely. It's going live on our website. Thank you for watching.